Catering Order Management System.
Manage your catering orders with the utmost ease and efficiency. System includes kitchen display, packing section display, order management, delivery management, reports. Kitchen display. Foods will be prepared in the kitchen based on the orders and meal type. Meal type section, cuisine type section. Once the food is cooked, the user needs to change the status to ready to pack. Packing section display. Packing is done based on the customer, location, and cuisine type. Meal type section. Company name and total order. Location and cuisine types. Once packing is done, the user needs to change the status to ready to deliver. Dashboard for daily status monitoring. Order entry. Key in and update the catering order based on the customers, meal types, and locations. View order entry. Dashboard to view and edit all the catering orders based on the company and locations. Can print the delivery order slip. Unipro Software Private Limited. www.unipro.com.sg